And so here's the old Coupe. She's back on stock suspension, back on OEM control arms in the rear here. So this thing's just kind of become a little storage unit for parts. So sad to see, but we gotta get some of this stuff cleared out here soon. This is my old wing. Don't really want that anymore.
Sometimes things get complicated. 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 Sometimes things get complicated.
No, Never touch these belts. Why? Yeah, they're cracked ever since. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh no, you know what? That probably happened during the crash. Wait, I don't know actually.
Someone just didn't put it on.
You're right. It's not the right belt.
Go over a rib. I mean, it looks like the right belt. The alternator doesn't. It's got an extra rib on it, but
Sometimes things get
Alright, well.
complicated. Sometimes things get complicated.
pushed up on it and moved.
Sometimes things get complicated.